Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, TechGetter. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the AMD installer error 195 that many users encounter while trying to install or update AMD drivers on Windows 10 or Windows 11. This error typically means there's a problem with the installation process. Either the installer can't detect the hardware properly, or there's a software conflict. Fortunately, it's pretty easy to resolve using AMD's official tools. So, without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Step 1. Open your browser. First, open your Chrome browser, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type AMD Drivers Download Automatic Utility. You don't need to type it exactly like that, just something similar should work. Step 2. Go to AMD's official website. From the search results, look for the official AMD page that says something like Auto-detect and install updates for Radeon Graphics and Ryzen Chipset drivers for Windows. Click on that link to go to the download page. Step 3. Download the AMD Auto-detect tool. Scroll down until you see the Download Now button for the Auto-detect and Install tool. Click on the button to begin the download. Step 4. Run the AMD Auto-detect utility. Once the download is complete, open the installer and run the tool. This utility will automatically detect your AMD graphics or chipset hardware and install the correct drivers. Make sure to follow the on-screen prompts. Allow the tool to fully install and update the necessary components. This process should replace the manual installer that caused error 195 in the first place. And that's it. Party popper. After running the AMD Auto-detect tool, the error should be resolved, and your drivers should be up to date. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to comment if you have any questions. Subscribe to TechGetter for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.